let's take a look at the tripod lash today on Bushcraft Twins. Alright, the tripod lash. Great for putting 3 poles together to make a tripod for building shelters, putting a hanger over your fire. So let's go to it and see how it's done. Alright, so we got our 3 poles here, and the best thing to do is put something underneath so it's easier to work with. We got a hank of a power cord. Go ahead and get it out. Now this is some thicker logs. This would be great for shelters. And what I like to do, into my cord, is go ahead and tie a stop knot. Go ahead and make your loop. We're just going to do this on one. Go back up under this leading. And then tighten her down. Alright. Now we're going to slide this down a little bit. It's good to start 6 to 8 inches down. We'll slide this up a little bit. Come on down here. Retie this clover hitch. So, tighten it down. Alright, now we're going to go probably about 5 wraps. We're going to go down. 1, 2. Keep these tight as you go. 3. Dress them up. 3. You see how that popped together like that? You don't want that, so keep your sticks laid out straight. A good way to do that is just put your knees over top of it like this. Dress them up a little bit, front and back. Tighten it up. One more round, that'll be our 5 lashings. Alright, now that we've got to this point, we're going to start the frapping. The frapping goes this way between your logs. And this might be a little bit difficult. And always, don't cross your line and go this way. Keep it this way and go through on the way you're wrapping. Stuff it down through here in the back and get to it, and then pull it up. Them still good and tight. And we're we're going to come through the top, pull it up. Pull it good and tight. 2 frappings. You can take you a toggle or something, wrap it around it, pull it good and tight. And then we're going to go over to the next one and start at the top. It's kind of difficult. Looks like we got a knot on there. On the bottom. Pull it good and tight. Pull it around. Good and tight. Now we're going to try to put one more. Get it past that knot. Don't look like I'm going to, so put it on this side. Take my knife out. Push it through like that. Come up. And this last one, hold up, give it a good and tight, and then we'll tie a clove hitch to finish it off. It'll be easier done down here. It. Lift these up. Go under your X. Like it. Now you got your clove hitch. Alright, once you got all that done, stand it up. Good and tight. And then you got your tripod. Very strong. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, now if you got a fire pit you want to put this over, you can leave your excess string hanging. Use that as your pot hanger. Just wrap it so it hangs straight down like that. Now you got a pot hanger. Alright, that is the Tripod Lash. Great for shelters, tripods to go over your fireplace.